Hmm.
Good morning. Actually, I have started this as my personal responsibility under fundamental duties of Constitution of India. We know that you do interview very well and you perform exceedingly well. You have all the requisite qualifications, but mysteriously you fail in getting admission in colleges or universities. And you have all the qualifications, requisite experience, you perform exceedingly well in the interview, but still mysteriously you fail to get the job. These are the common features in the society we have been facing, but we cannot do anything. We know the reasons why this is happening, how the ineligible people are getting selected for the posts and admission into academic educations, educational institutions. The reason is, friends, because there is no accountability. The interviews are happening in the closed doors where there is no recording, where we cannot hold anybody accountable. So what is the way out? The way out is we have to record all the proceedings of the interviews, all the proceedings of the selection committees, so that we can review the decision of the selection committee. For doing this, we need not spend much money. We need not spend any extra time. We have to simply install a video camera or a mobile camera and install it. Friends, this will cost only 3 to 500 per day. As you know, we are spending thousands of rupees on the TADA of selection committee members, their local hospitality and related expenditure. Is it not worth spending 3 to 5,000 rupees to record all the proceedings of the selection committee minutes to make it more transparent, make it more feasible, reviewable, and make the selection committee members accountable? This will also help eradicate all the evils like prejudice, discrimination, abuse of power, corruption, and all sorts of administrative evils in depriving the meritorious and deserving candidates. Dear friends, on this unique day, I thought of starting a beginning to end corruption in selection process. On this 11, 12, 13, let us start a movement and request the country to make recording of all selection proceedings and interviews mandatory in India. Dear friends, I request you to share this with your friends and press for recording of all the selection committee proceedings so that we can avoid corruption and we help the country in selecting the meritorious, deserving candidates in the jobs in the educational institutions. I hope you agree with me and you will press for recording of all selection process proceedings. As you know, there are some Mr. Cleans in the selection committee minutes, but they also sell their soul and they become mute spectators and help the corrupt people to select ineligible people and deprive the eligible and meritorious candidates. Friends, actually these are the Mr. Cleans who are abetting in the crime. They are also equally important. So we have to take a step, and you are responsible and each one of us is responsible for this corruption. So we have to put an end to it by just asking for a recording of all the selection and interview proceedings in camera and request them to put on the websites and make available a CD to the all candidates who apply or appear for the interviews. Thank you so much, friends.